Know Your Nobel. This is a series that I'm starting from day one, where we get to learn about many Nobel Prize winners. And who better to start off this amazing new series other than Madame Marie Curie? Madame Marie Curie was a Polish-French physicist who is the first woman to ever win a Nobel, and she is the only person in history to win a Nobel in two categories. She's just that girl. She won her first Nobel in 1903 for physics, which she shared with her husband Pierre Curie. When they were studying uranium's rays, they found two elements, polonium and radium. They coined the term radioactivity to describe them. That is how she won her first Nobel. To add to this, she is also the first woman in France to get a PhD in physics. Isn't that so cool? Her husband, Pierre Curie, died in 1906, unfortunately, but she marched on and won her second Nobel in 1911, this time for chemistry. Remember those elements she had found, polonium and radium? She discovered them in much greater detail, and now she found them. So this was a great discovery for using them in isotopes and to use in her work, which would help out many other chemists and physicists alike to advance their work and make it easier for them to work on their findings. While she was very proud of her French heritage, she never forgot about her Polish roots. So she taught her kids Polish, and she also went regularly to Poland to connect with her roots. She died at the age of 66, probably due to the amount of radioactivity she used to face during her research and her work. That isn't the most interesting thing about Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a huge step for women in physics and science alike. She was a huge step in the name of women and feminists all around the world, and we all thank her for it. She was actually named a physicist and scientist of the year in 2011, known as the year of Madame Curie, because she had made a huge role in physics and chemistry alike. Radioactivity is a word we have heard 1,000 times, and radium, well, that's literally all over the world. But we never actually knew where we got it from. We just thought it popped up like everything in the world does. But Madame Curie thought another way. She thought a different way. She thought in her way. And that's how she coined the term radioactivity, something that is so important in today's world. And polonium and radium, finding elements, that is such an iconic move, I can't even talk about it. Madame Curie was the first of many, and I hope she's definitely not the last. I take inspiration from her every day, and so should everyone in the world alike. She changed the world for the better, and she became the person that we should be. So, if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm gonna make episodes like this daily. And who knows, maybe I will see you in my next one.